Today we will unbox and set up the new KAKUKA K70 electric road bike. Open the box. You will see the bike itself in a small box with the charger, pedals, user manual and tools inside. Take the bike out of the box and undo the cable ties. Detach the front wheel from the bike frame and set it aside. KAKUKA kindly provide all the tools we need. We will use a wrench number 15, a 5mm hex and a screwdriver. Let's start by removing the dummy axle. Remove the plastic covers from the front wheel and also remove the two axle nuts. The brake disc should be aligned with the brake caliper. Attach the front wheel to the fork. Tighten the axle nuts to complete the front wheel assembly. Loosen the top screw. Remove the plastic spacer. Place the handlebar. Then insert the top screw and tighten slightly. Tighten the side bolts a little and then align the wheel with the frame. Use the 5mm hex to tighten the 3 bolts that secure the handlebar. You can adjust the height of the handlebar by removing the spacer rings. The right pedal has the letter R on it and it's screwed on clockwise. Then tighten firmly using the number 15 wrench. Place the left pedal. Make sure to have the one marked with the letter L on it. Screw it counterclockwise onto the crank by hand. Then tighten firmly using the number 15 wrench. Unfold the saddle fastener. Insert the reflector mount into the tube. Secure the reflector with the screwdriver. Attach the reflector and arrange the saddle according to your height. Fold back and tighten the saddle fastener. The bike's almost ready. Press and hold the on button for 1 second. The integrated display lights up and the motor works at all pedal assist levels. Before using the bike, you will need to inflate the tires. That's all for today. Enjoy the new KAKUKA K70 road bike.